Hey, how's it going? Today, my wife and I are taking a little day trip on the Metro to pick up a trumpet I found on Facebook Marketplace. Since we've never been to the village of Barrington, we decided to explore a little and grab us some lunch.
Watch your step while exiting Park River Road.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Be creative, you know?
Your husband played
He played in high school.
in high school. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Yes. We got it. Mission accomplished.
Oh crap. I think so. Well, we came from there. Well, we can't drive.
The train stops every hour, so we had to wait, but we caught the next one and we made it home safe. A few days later, I finally had the chance to give this trumpet a proper cleaning. The woman who sold it to me told me her husband bought this Barclay trumpet back in the 1970s, and judging by the condition of the mouthpiece, I believe her. Don't worry, I got a new one. The body shows some wear and a few dents, but honestly, I think it adds character. I used to play trumpet back in middle school. Then I picked it up again in high school for a professional play, but eventually lost interest until now. I'm planning to practice on this one for a while before committing to a newer model. Let's see if I still have it. Please enjoy this footage of my cat Kit Kat enjoying some sun in my balcony. I'm glad I finally finished that video. It's been in the works for a little while. This is, I think maybe my second ever long form video that I've uploaded to YouTube. The other one was just a personal channel. Anyway, I'm really happy that I finished this video finally, and I hope to only get better in the future. My main reason for uploading these is just to have it for myself and my family to look back on. But it might become something different, who knows? And yeah, I'll see you around.